Hey guys, welcome to another video tutorial. Here is Router G, and today we're gonna learn a bulkgate or SMS API. We will integrate in a PHP for sending bulk messages using bulkgate. So before to see a source code, let me show you its pricing and how you can register it and how you can get APIs and setting up all the things. So step by step we will understood. By default, while creating, you will get 10 credits as a free, and if you want to purchase you can top up your account here. So this is a important thing. Here you can see about the price it have and what the payment methods it's method it have. All right, so you can see here 20 euros you can get 515 credits. It means you can send 500 messages. If you have 100 euros, then you can send 2625 credits. You can choose the plan like this one. I'm choosing this one. This $100 plan I have chosen, and then choose the payment options. So it have many payment options like GP, WebPay, TrustPay, PayPal, and bank transfer as well. So there are many payment options you can pay by these payment methods. So this is the payment. You can recharge, you can buy credits, and add the fund to your bulkgate API. And next setting is that's very important. You have to click modules and API. Here is modules and API. Modules and API. Here are lots of modules and API. You can choose the e-commerce. You can choose the commerce, hello client, Mac, mobile connect, and lots of, but we are using the PHP, so you have to click here PHP SDK. And when you create API, you will get like this of settings of PHP SDK, VEOT, and this application ID, and SMS, sending SMS is enabled. Is yes. After clicking here, you will select this of settings, and you have to click PHP SDK. So here this info like application ID, this application ID, and this is the application token. The two information we will need to send SMS and to integrate to connect our application to bulkgate. So this two info is very important, and you have to understand. So let me show you where you can add this application ID, and this is token. So let me show you in my code editor. Let me zoom in. All right, so this is application ID. You can copy and paste here. This is application ID, and you can paste here. Just a minute. This is 31. Copy and paste here, and this is application token. The application token you can get from here. Copy and paste. So this two info is important, and rest of the things is the same like our other standards, and we are using the PHP SDK and this auto load files. All the mechanism I already shown in my previous videos. We are not focusing on because this is not important, but to make the object of the connection object of bulkgate a message and connection, and this connection class have two parameters, which is a application ID and application token. And this object are working here. We are passing in a sender, and this sender this is another object, and sender class have a sender class have method which is a send, and it's taking one parameter which is response, and this response have a this is actually object, and bulkgate SMS and message is a class, and phone number and message two parameters is taking. So this response we are just passing inside our sender and send function and response. So it will respond if message has been sent successfully, then it will give a response which is a success. So this is our very simple bulkgate. You can add your numbers like suppose we have a numbers 10 digits numbers. First you have to add a country code, then 10 digits number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, just hold on. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So this, actually my keyboard is not working right way. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So this is number. If you have multiple numbers, you can copy and paste like this, and here you can add your message to make your SMS ready. And after that you have to click here send. So currently message sent successfully. Let me refresh. Okay, so I don't want to waste my credits because it's working already. I have tested in my previous videos and my experiment. So yeah, this is just a small bulkgate or sender. It have numbers and have a message, and just simply send now button. So this is the index.php. Let me show you all project. This is the source code. This is the files, which is index.php, and we're working with all the things like a multiple underscore numbers.php, and also we are working on Ajax to send a request from Java from client side to server side. Server side is a PHP we are using. Okay, so complete video you will see in the next video. So this is a basic thing which I have shown you using a bulkgate APIs. There are also price list if you want to check, and it's creating accounts and sending messages using bulkgate is very nice for sending SMS. And there are, you can also run the campaign, and there are address book and many features. I will suggest you to research about this, about the bulkgate. All right, so pretty much I have shown you. If you have any questions and doubt, you can write me a comment, and this source code will be available in video descriptions. You can go through and download. So thanks.